Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete all Facebook friends in one click. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, open Facebook app. One word of advice is you might find some Google Chrome extension that claim you can delete all your friends in one click. However, to be able to do that, you need to give them your login information and personal information. I would not recommend doing that. You would never know who is developing this extension, and they could just be stealing logins and using. However, if you tap the menu at the bottom right here, tap on the friends, then you will tap on all friends. You can see all the various friends that you hear. The key is that you can just tap on the three dots and then hit unfriend any of your friend or unfollow your friend. You can go through this list. It's pretty quick to be able to just tap three dots and continually go down and unfriend people. That's kind of easiest way to delete all friends in Facebook. Unfortunately, Facebook does not give you one button that says delete every friend. So this is the easiest way to unfriend your friend from your Facebook account. So thanks for watching this video.